Hello everyone. So today we talk about the independency between um, two variables x and y. Um, and we suppose we have given this question here. So we have a joint probability density function. This is called joint probability density function. And then we define this function for the x and y between 0 and 1, and we need to show that x and y are independent. And then after that, we'll find the conditional distribution of x given y and the conditional distribution of y given x. Let's start now writing f of xy equals c xy squared. And then in order to find if x and y are independent, we need to define the marginal distribution of x and the marginal distribution of y, and if we multiply them, then if we got f of xy, then that will be x and y are dependent. So what I mean is like f of xy equal f of x times f of y. If that happens, so that means x and y are independent. So that means x and y are independent. So let's start with find the marginal distribution of x. So as we know, if we have the joint density f of xy, then we just need to integral that from 0 to 1 to f of xy with dy. So if we do that, then we have the integral 0 to 1. So we have 6x, we can take it outside the integral, and we have y squared dy, and that will be 6x divided by 3, and that will be y cubed 1 0. So in this case, that will be 6x divided by 3, which is equal to x. And we know x here will be between 0 and 1. So this is the f of x, the marginal density of x. Now we need to find the marginal density of y. So we have f of x, y is 6 x y squared. So in order to find f of y, the marginal density of y, we need to integrate with respect to x, so 0 to 1, f of xy dx. Again, that between 0 and 1, and then we write down the joint probability density function of x and y dx. So we take y squared outside the integral, 0 to 1 6x dx, and that will be, the integral will be so y squared divided by 2, and that will be 6x squared, then 1 here, 0 there, so that will be y squared divided by 2 times 6, so that will be 3y squared. 3y squared, and that is the f of y. Now we have the marginal of x, density of x is 2x, and the marginal of y is 3y squared. Now if we said f of x times f of y, now that will be 2x times 3y squared, which is equal 6x y squared, which is exactly equal to f of x y. So that means x and y are independent. Now, in order to find f of x, the conditional distribution of x given y, we know that equal to f of x y divided by f of y. Then we've got 6x y squared divided by 3 3y squared. See, this y squared called this y squared. This is 1, this is 2, so that give me 2x. That because f of x given y, because x and y are dependent, so we can write that f of x times f of y, and then f of y in the denominator. Then when we take that, that gives me f of x, which is 2x here. Now f of y given x, the same thing. F of y given x, so that equal f of x y divided by f of x, and then because x and y are independent, so we can write that f of x times f of y divided by f of x, so that will give me f of y, which is equal to 3y squared. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.